Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make it. So, this is a shout out to Kyla and Jay. Go subscribe because they are funny. So, hey y'all, how y'all doing today? What's up? What's good, my lovelies and gents? Hey, or whatever. So, today I'm back with another video. Okay. And before we start, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below because I appreciate your comments. And yeah. But yeah, today's video I'll pretty much just be doing hair wraps. I haven't done a hair wrap with my hair out like this, so this time my hair is gonna be out. The last video I did, my hair was twisted, so we're gonna do my hair out and puffy. Okay, it's gonna be a whole different vibe. A whole different vibe. Okay. But first off, I would like to say thanks to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of my lovelies and gents. Okay, I greatly appreciate it. But let's get me to 100 subbies. Okay, let's get me to 100. A honey bun. Once I get to 100, I got a surprise for you guys. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna hop into the video. So let's go. Yeah. Giving you I am Aaliyah vibes. I don't know what the heck going on right there. But you know, this is cute. You know, when you just want to be cute or whatever, or you want to be Aaliyah one day. Rest in peace, Aaliyah. This is the I am Wakanda forever. Yes, Wakanda queen. This is I want my hair on my face, but I don't. That was not me smoking. I was drinking tea. Don't judge. Obviously, there was a struggle here. Oh my goodness. The struggle. It was so hard getting this over my head. Pew 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 pew. Pew pew pew. Mike Tyson. That was just a few ways you can wrap it, you know? If you just want your hair out the way, just use them ways. You know, you ain't gotta use no hairband that's gonna snatch your hair out. You know? But as you can see, it's about time to detangle my hair. It's getting big. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Give me to a honey bun. I'm gonna wait. Did you subscribe yet? Did you hit that subscribe button? Because if you didn't, you need to hit it. Okay, hit that subscribe button. Give me to 100. That's all you gotta do. But I'm gonna see y'all later, my nana lovelies. Deuces.